Hi friends, welcome to my channel Malik Rafoot. In case you are new here, I make recipes which are raw. That means it requires no boiling, no cooking, no frying, basically no heating. So this is a healthy way of eating. Today we will talk about ash gourd chips which don't require any heating like I said. So what is good about ash gourd chips? It is not using any frying or baking method, therefore, it is a very healthy snack and it has got a unique touch of sweetness that is inherent in the ash gourd itself. Light and healthy, so you can have a decent quantity but still feel light on your stomach. The ingredients are small ash gourd, about 5 inch, salt, chili powder, olive oil, and water. So basically, peel the skin and then you slice them into circles. It could be as thin as you can make. Something like 1 mm thickness will be ideal, but not more than 2 mm. Once they get dehydrated, they will become much thinner than what you see now. So be careful with your fingers and then slice them completely. Ash gourd has plenty of water, therefore when it dries up it becomes much thinner, so it is ideal for making chips. Instead of potatoes which require frying, this is a very good alternative. Slice them vertically into half so that you can fit them easily into your dehydrator. Take a bowl of water, maybe 200-300 ml of water, half a teaspoon of salt, mix them well. We will not be using all of this water. We will be immersing all of the ash gourd slices so that there is a touch of salt that is sticking to the ash gourd slices. And then take your dehydrator. Dehydrator is an equipment which has got a very low temperature that is settable, and basically it is throwing air at high pressure, and because of that there will be dehydration and the water will evaporate. Takes a lot of time, but then at a low temperature. Set it at 40 degrees temperature or 45 degrees temperature and leave it overnight, about 10 to 12 hours. The next day when you take out, they should be crispy. Feel the crispness and wait for some more time before you switching off if it is necessary. They should be crisp, but when you bite them, they will not break completely like biscuit like, but then you can break them like chips. And then in a small bowl, take about half teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Add some salt, about half teaspoon should be adequate. I would prefer a little more chili powder than salt whenever I mix both of these. And then I would add about half teaspoon of pure virgin olive oil. This gives a very nice smell to the chips. Mix it very well and then sprinkle this chili mix onto the chips and make sure that you mix them very well so that the chips will get a nice coating of the chili mix, and then you will have the tanginess and the spiciness just like in the potato chips. These are extremely tasty and you can have in large quantities without any hesitation. That's the big plus point. And if you are wondering that you do not have a dehydrator at your home, how can you make these chips? I think one easy method that I have not tested though is if you have hot sun during midsummer, then you might want to try drying these chips right under the sun, which could be even more healthier. You may have to try it and let me know how you got it in the comments below. So in case you liked it, please make your own chips, enjoy it, and do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.